The Security Check section is designed to help you verify if the plugin settings are fully activated, detect any remaining security issues, and quickly resolve them. WP Ghost reviews over 40 key security tasks to ensure your site is as safe as possible. To begin a scan, simply click the Start Scan button. In a matter of seconds, you'll receive a detailed security report listing any issues that need attention. For each security task, you'll see a Fix It button. Click it to automatically resolve the issue. Once all issues are addressed, run the scan again to confirm everything is secure. For additional peace of mind, WP Ghost offers an external security check. Just click the Run Security Scan Online button to use our online tool and review the status of your site's security from an external perspective. And that's it! Using WP Ghost Security Check, keeping your WordPress site secure is simple and straightforward. Try it out now and ensure your site is protected.